Good morning and welcome to Blue Collar Performance. Sleep did set in. Obviously the weather's nasty outside, so today we're going to be doing inside work. We're going to put the chopper back together. Okay, so as you can see, I painted it. I did that off camera. I just get to going sometimes and just keep going, but you can see, I mean, it came out pretty good. And I've already set the engine in. I went in with 2 layers of masking tape all over everything, and then tried to be as careful as I could when I put it together. And everything went together pretty well. I don't think I chipped it anywhere. So that's excellent. And yeah, that fits good and that looks good. It's like I did not do anything with the rocker box covers yet. I'm gonna have to go get a grinder with a polishing wheel and some rouge, and I'm just gonna repolish those, I think, and maybe a few other things on the back. So, I mean, when it gets together, you know, there's pieces of it that's gonna have to come back off. But, so we go back to our bucket Harley parts here, and the first one I pick up says trans and motor mount. So, that's gonna be all my bolts for the motor and transmission. So, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and I'm gonna bolt this thing down. Okay, so as you can see, you got the transmission in it now. I got the engine all bolted up. So engine and transmission is in it. The kickstart works. Kind of got the compressifications, which that's good news. Of course I knew that, this thing ran. But all right, so next step, we'll go ahead and install the oil tank right in here in the rear fender. And then once I get those put in, I'm probably gonna go ahead and I've got this on concrete blocks with towels underneath them. And what I'll probably do is scoot that one forward enough where I can get the rear tire on it. And then once the rear tire's on it, I'll probably go ahead and hang the front end. And this thing will start looking like a motorcycle. So I'm gonna put you back on time lapse and get back to work. Okay, well, that's the fender on, the seat on, front fender on, front end's all together. I've got a couple of bolts I've lost. I don't know what I've done with them. They're around here somewhere. Ordered new tires. They should be early next week. This is Wednesday, so who knows? Just kind of going to push it to the side until then. And we'll go ahead and button her up. I may try to wire on it tomorrow if the weather's crap. So I may try to go ahead and get it wired because that's necessary. But anyway, for today, that's going to do it. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys will join me for the next one. And we'll see you next time.